Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file, and they're having trouble. If you look, these two black lines start behind and end up in front. The next two grays start behind and end up in front. The next black ones start behind and end up in behind. So these need to be reversed, but when you reverse them, and for the one I'm doing it for after I was playing with your file, you need to group these together so when you change the color or change them, you don't have to click on both of them. But if we go to order and put it to the back of page, then the gray is behind on both sides. So the three of them are right, but whatever you do, I guess mathematically it just can't be done with this. So what you could do, and I've already done it just to make sure it would work. If you can see, the black starts in back, goes to front, gray starts in back, goes to front, black starts in back, goes to front, gray starts in back, go to front. Is to take this and left click, right click, and you get all these lines. So then you just got to determine, where you're going to start. It doesn't really matter. We're going to make this one be on top. Well, no, I'll take it back. This one's going to be on top here, so it's going to be on the bottom here. So we're going to make these two lines the top. So if you go down here and you want to stop, then you need to go this direction, the opposite direction. So now these are on top, so they need to stop here. So we'll go this direction. And you could actually probably do this with the rotating tool after you get this done. So these are on top, they need to go to the bottom, so we need to delete these lines. So I'm just using the virtual segment delete key. These are on top, so they need to go to the bottom, so they're right. So let's now take the Smart Fill tool, fill these two in with gray. Don't forget to do that. You could actually go ahead and do the next two. And then let's switch the Smart Fill tool to black. And we go here, 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 and here. And then once we take away the outline by selecting it all and left clicking no outline. So now we got gray on top goes to the bottom, black on top goes to the bottom, gray on top goes to the bottom, black on top goes to the bottom. I don't think mathematically you could do it the other way. Anyway, hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.